Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Drews here. Just came from the bank and had an annoying experience, and it just reminded me of numerous annoying experiences I've had with banks. I just wanted to share a couple of them with you. Maybe some of you guys have had the same experiences. Share, comment below, let me know your experiences with banks. But anyway, I went in today and I just tried to get a cashier's check, and she told me that I couldn't get a cashier's check unless I was a member, unless I had an open account there, which is kind of annoying. So anyway, I couldn't get my cashier's check, and then I just started reflecting, and I remember my first experience where I actually realized, that something is definitely not right with the banking system was when I went to go purchase a vehicle. I went to the bank. I wanted to pull out $16,000 in cash because I had to drive like 80 miles, and I wanted to give the guy cash, not a check. Nobody's gonna, give me a car based off of a check. So I go in there and, I go to the teller and I say, yeah, I'd like to make a withdrawal. And she says, what is the amount? And I said, $16,000. And she looked at me like I was an idiot. And she says, well, I'm sorry, sir. We can't do that. That's too large of an amount. And I'm looking, I'm standing in Bank of America, which is one of the largest banks in the world. And here they are telling me that $16,000 is too large of an amount to pull out. So I kind of got annoyed. I called for the manager. I said, I don't understand what the problem is. I have sufficient funds in my account. Why can't I make this withdrawal? And, long story short, I walked out not being able to withdraw my cash. So that's the first time that I really realized like something is not right here. Maybe a couple months later, I forgot I had to make another purchase. I go in there and I try to pull $10,000 out. And this is a different bank. I forget what bank it was. And again, they would not allow me to pull it out. And I'm thinking to myself, something is not right here. So I had another experience with another bank where the bank doesn't allow withdrawals from the center where it's close to my house. So I called and I said, hey, I need to make a withdrawal. And I think it was something like $12,000 or $13,000. And she said, well, what we can do, sir, is allow you to withdraw your money out of the ATM. And I said, I can pull that much out of an ATM? And she said, no, you can only pull out about 1,000 from 400 or 500 out of the ATM, and you'd have to do it at different ATMs. So I look at the lady, like, lady, I just told you I need 13, 14 grand. How many ATM visits am I going to have to make to pull that much money out? So, anyway, just got me thinking of all the bad experiences. I had another one too. What was it? I went to go get a cashier's check at a bank that I was not a member of. They allowed me to get the cashier's check. However, she asked me what the source of the funds were. And I looked at her and I said, my front right pocket. And she didn't like my answer. But, anyway, share your experiences if you got any with banks. I mean, I like to keep my money, as much of it out of the system as possible, just because of reasons like that. It's why I'm a big advocate for silver and gold. My number one goal when I get cash is to just get rid of it. Whether it's investments, whether it's assets, whether it's real estate, whether it's gold and silver, my first goal is just to get rid of it. All right, anyway, let me know what you think. Share any bad experiences you had with banks, and we'll talk to you soon. This is Chris Drews. Have a good one. Bye.